Hello everyone, my name is Roshan Walter. I'm the Umoja Counselor and Coordinator here at Mission College. The Umoja Community Program is super impactful and is super life-changing, hence my becoming a Umoja Counselor. I was actually a member of the Umoja program back when I attended community college, which inspired me to later become a Umoja Community College Counselor. The point of the Umoja program is to provide community for African American students as well as all students. Our goal is to also help see you on your way to transferring and accomplishing all your career goals as well as your educational goals.
Definitely join because it will enrich your entire college experience. You have a whole village behind you.
Obviously, there's the straight up things you'll get when you join Umoja: priority registration at Mission College, a $400 book voucher, and access to an amazing counselor. But outside of that, you'll be having access to a community that not only looks like you, but also just loves you and is willing to accept you and help you with every struggle you have, whether it be financial, educational, or any goals you're looking to achieve.
If you want to build up on your leadership skills, if you like to help people, if you want to grow within yourself, in Umoja we have our ambassadors and we also have our elders that literally guide us through when we need some knowledge, we need some wisdom, we need help. Like, they are literally our go-to. So I feel that Umoja is literally home at Mission.
So if you haven't joined Umoja yet, I encourage you to do so. We are the most welcoming group around, and we'd love to see your face.
So again, I hope you will all join the Umoja community, and please reach out to me, Roshan, at Mission College, and I'll take care of you and I'll support you every step of the way in your journey here at Mission College and beyond.